Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the Millennium Falcon, it is still there. Okay, we have reached the remote control version number 272. And now I have some news for you, and we can see together how to edit the RAM program and how to send this program to the Falcon. Okay, so let's go immediately to the Falcon and so we can see how it works. Okay, so we can proceed with the new version. This version is the version 272. So we can give a quick look to the news. Okay, so now we can start to clear RAM. So we can start from the beginning. And for example, we can edit RAM program together. So number 3, we have some news, because now, for example, in the audio menu number 2, we have the real sounds. So now you can choose from these 9 sounds. So for example, if I press number 7, I can choose volume 1 to 9, for example 8, and I can test it, add and test order, and I have this cool sound. Maybe you know it.
Chilling. We're home.
Okay, so now we can edit RAM program again with a more long program. So for example, LED, all channel on, number 7, add order. Then audio, we can choose walkie, number 8, volume 8, add order with number 7. Now I can add engine, so I can choose ramp down, add order. I can add again ramp up, number 2, add order, and at the end I can choose again LED, all channel off with the number 2, add order. Okay, now we can press number 10, so we come back here. Now we can go in the number 2 menu Falcon. We can send TX RAM to Falcon. So if I press number 1, you can see here that our order will arrive. Okay, at this point we have these 5 orders, so I can press any key and execute to Falcon.
Screaming about it, can't you? Yeah, it's not wise. Upset Wookie. But sir, nobody worries about upsetting a droid. That's because a droid don't pull people's arms out of their sockets when they lose. Wookiees are known to do that.
Okay, so very cool. It works very well. Now at this point we are back here in this main menu, and if we come back in the edit RAM program, we can erase a row. So for example, if you don't want anymore one of these orders, you can press now the number 8 and you can choose which row to delete. So for example, if I press the number 5, now we have only 4 rows. This is a new function of this new version 2.7.2. We have now also some news here, because in the page number 2 we have these names for the engine and for the failure, because the engine, as we said other times, in the power channel number 1 you can plug the standard LED strip, and in the number 6 we have the engine failure. So now you also have the name of the program. So this is it. Okay, and in the page number 3 we have the same things, ramp down, ramp up, radar, relays 1, 2, 3, and in the number 4 we have the NeoPixel. I hope to plug it in the very next few days, because the NeoPixel program, it is very difficult, so we need some more extra days, but at the end, in the next 2 or 3 days, I will be able to plug it and show to you the effect. Okay, so of course we will send you one zip file with the 31 sounds that you can put inside your SD card, and if you use our sounds in the same with the same numbers, you can plug your channels in the same way, and you can have the same things that you are seeing in these videos. Of course, you can plug everything you want without any restriction, but if you like, I can tell you in the manual or via email the exact names of my channels. So, for example, number 1 are the DeAgostini lower hull lights. The number 2 are the mandibles, etc. So, if you like to have the same configuration, I can tell you without any problem. Okay, that's all for this video. Maybe someone of you can think that I am doing always the same video, but this is not true, because every time we have some little news, some extra news. I think that we are very near to the end. I suppose that we need other 10 days to have the final definitive version. So after that, I will personally test every board to find some error or other things, and after that we will start to send to you all the boards. So please keep on following the channel, give me a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and see you soon in the very next few days. Cheers!